battery storage is the fastest growing energy subsector, thanks to its innovative technology and supportive industrial and political policies. If you want to up your game in how to model batteries, then you've come to the right place.
This Pivotal 180 course is what we call an industry course. We consider it an add-on to our renewable energy project finance modelling course. It's geared towards people who can already build a project finance model and want to focus on battery storage and co-located renewables and battery in a simple and practical manner. This course does not teach you how to build a model from scratch, as that is assumed knowledge.
Building on your previous modelling skills, we will teach you an overview of energy markets and the need for batteries, different types of storage and how batteries can be used to support the grid, discuss different revenue structures available, such as tolling, arbitrage, frequency balancing, spinning reserves, and grid resiliency. Considerations around capital costs and operating costs, including augmentation. How batteries can be connected to generation assets, including both AC and DC coupled systems, and how to run appropriate scenarios to assess investments.
Note that for this course, the model is largely pre-built. Coding a battery model is simple. The bigger challenge is how to understand the inputs. We will run many sensitivities related to the operational assumptions to help you evaluate a battery storage project. The instructor-led courses also include a case study where you will analyse data from a market consultant. When you buy this or any other Pivotal 180 course, you gain access to the online course platform. This is a great ongoing resource with model downloads, videos, subtitles, transcripts, slides, and quizzes. You will also become a member of our Pivotal 180 alumni learning community, where you can continue to ask questions or participate in discussions that are important to you.
You have 3 options for how to take this battery course. Number 1, do the online self-paced course. Just sign up and start learning. 2, join a public instructor-led class. This can be in person or via several Zoom sessions. This also gives you access to the online self-paced course, but it allows for more discussion as well as homework and for case studies. Number 3, arrange a tailored course for your organization, either in person or via Zoom calls. It has all of the benefits of the public classes, but can be tailored specifically to your needs.
Feel free to reach out to sales@pivotal180.com with any questions. We look forward to seeing you in our courses.